Hello guys, in this very special video we are going to fix 100% disk and CPU usage, and we will be also boosting the FPS so that you can play the games without any lag. So let's get started, and so please make sure that you watch the whole video, and if you didn't subscribe our channel yet, please go and subscribe and hit the like button to watch more videos. So let's start. At the start, you should do a right click in Start menu and go to Device Manager. At the Device Manager, we will search an option by the name of High Precision Event Timer. Do a right click and disable a device. After this, you should click Yes and close the tab. At the second step, we go to Start menu and search POWER to find Edit Power Plan. Click on it, and we have an option by name of Change Advanced Power Settings. Click on it, and in here, so it's my machine. When I click here, I'm not getting any option when I click here, but you guys will get the options. The option name is Too High Performance, and click on it, and after the enable you should apply and OK. At the third step, close the tab, and at the third step, do a right click in Start menu and go to Task Manager. In Task Manager, we have a bar by the name of Startup. Go to Startup and sort the programs by enabled. So my programs are sorted by enabled. Here you can change the sort, and you will disable all unwanted applications and programs of your computer, so your computer speeds go up. And it's done. And go to Performance tab, and you will see that the CPU usage has decreased after these actions. And this is the today video, and please like the video and subscribe our channel to watch more videos and learn something more from us. Thanks a lot.